subscriber, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another great vlog. And today I'm going to do some fried lobster with sweet and sour sauce. So I'm going seafood today, guys, and I'm a huge fan of seafood. And I'm going to do some sweet potato, which is some roast sweet potato with some garlic butter, guys. And I hope you like this video just like the rest of the videos that I'm putting out there. And guys, as I said over and over, if you guys have any idea or anything you want to see me cook, please feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I will definitely take on that challenge for you guys. So I'm going to show you what's going on outside of the fire, so you can see so the rain wet up everything. But as I said, I'm going to do the vlog inside, but I'm just going to show you what's going on with the fire. Let me just flip the camera. Guys, look at the outdoor kitchen. The rain come on mess up the outdoor kitchen for today, but I'm still going to do the vlog today. Basically, I'm going to just sprinkle some of the season on the lobster. So that's one side. So I'm doing the same on the other side. And I'm doing so we're not adding too much. Today are gonna be another great video, guys. I'm gonna see if I can catch up the fire outside and still forced to do the vlog outside. So I'm basically catching the coal fire. I'm just waiting on it to catch properly before I start to fry the lobster. I'm going to put on the frying pot now, guys, because the coal practically catch now. Guys, the pot hot, so I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic, some pimento seeds into the oil. So I'm going to start fry the lobster now. Fry up, guys. Guys, when you see the lobster, so I'm going to go and fry up now. So we are checking on the lobsters, and guys, basically the garlic and the pepper and the pimento seeds, just add them in there just to enhance the flavor and the taste of whatever you are cooking, such as the lobster. So guys, this is the finishing part of the lobster. I'm just taking them out of the oil, and a piece of paper towel just to get off the excess grease back of the lobster. I'm going to make the sauce, which is the sweet and sour sauce for the lobster. So I'm just going to saute up some onion. also add this ginger in it. So basically just grate in the ginger. Guys, the ginger that I show, I just grated just a little bit of it just to add some flavor to it. So I'm gonna use 1 serving spoon and a half of sugar. I'm going to add this ketchup into the sauce. And I'm adding this cup of lime juice. Into my sweet and sour sauce. I'm gonna add some vinegar in it too, guys. I'm just basically gonna add just a little bit of water in the sauce. And this is the way how I make my sweet and sour sauce, guys. And you know, everybody does things different. So this is Caribbean vibe style of sauce. And the sauce is looking good, as you can see, so we're just waiting on the sauce to dry down just a little bit. Guys, the sauce is getting thick. Can you see that? This is my sweet and sour sauce. So I'm going to add some carrots, purple onion in it, and bell pepper. I'm just gonna add them when the sauce almost finished dry down, because I'm gonna use the carrot and the bell pepper to garnish the plate. So I'm just gonna add them in it. I'm going to add in the carrot for the garnish. I'm giving them both 1 minute. Oh. Man, the heat is so hot, guys. I have my sweet potato clean and cut up and ready for baking. So you know, sweet potato is good. It have a lot of vitamin A in it, and it also rich in fiber. So for those of you who want to lose weight, you should consider eating sweet potato. I just put the sweet potato in the oven, so I'm giving the sweet potato 30 minutes and then check back on the sweet potato and see if it is roast within 30 minutes. So guys, it's 30 minutes, so I'm checking on the sweet potato as I promised, and they are coming along pretty good. So let me check them, let you see. And they are coming real good. So they are roasting. And they are coming along real good, guys. Guys, I'm melting the butter for the garlic butter. So I'm using 1 stick of butter. Gonna twist the butter around in the pot till the finally melt out. So today is gonna be another great video, guys. I can't wait for my dinner to finish so I can plate it and show you guys the final product of my dinner. So the butter done melt out now. So I'm gonna turn on the stove on low. Don't want the butter to start burn now. So for the garlic butter, I'm using 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm using 1 stalk of scallion. So I'm gonna add in the garlic into the butter. So we just sauteing the garlic first before I add the scallion. And guys, this is the way how I do my garlic butter. So when it's finished now, I'm going to take out the potato out of the oven, and I'm going to basically dress this over the potato and then put it back in the oven for roughly 2 minutes. Man, garlic butter, you smell real good. Guys, you have a buzz, it a go on. It a go on, guys. Man, it a go on. Looking good. So this is the sweet potato. So we are going to add the garlic butter onto the sweet potato. And then add it back in the oven just for the 2 minutes. You guys can see that. Garlic butter, baked potato, and fried lobster with sweet and sour sauce. Guys, this is my baked sweet potato with garlic butter, and I'm just taking it out of the oven. Guys, can you see? Guys, my fried lobster with sweet and sour sauce, and I have some green lime going with it. I have my baked potato with garlic butter, and I have my carrot. I have my purple onion and some bell pepper that I saute up to go with it for garnishing. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and also remember to turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a vlog you will be the first to get the notification from my channel.